Hi and welcome to episode 18 of We Need to Talk. In this episode I want to share some information concerning Control Finance because in my opinion this investing program is really trending. They earned over $3 million in 24 hours, but besides that this service is splitting up the crypto community. There are a lot of people out there saying that this is a scam, and the other side there are a lot of people that say yeah, this will work out and this is the new BitConnect. So in this episode I want to show you the updated compounding sheet, which you can download in the description box below. It's an Excel spreadsheet where you just enter your initial invest and then the compounding goes automatically, but more in detail later in the video. So before we start, let's do a short disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I am just sharing my opinion concerning that topic. I personally know exactly that this is a high risk investment. This Control Finance thing could turn out as a scam. They could disappear from the market tomorrow or today. Nobody knows. So yeah, be really careful, make your own decision, do your own diligence, and how should I say, yeah, except rule number one, don't invest more that you can afford to lose, especially in a high yield investment program like Control Finance. So in a lot of older videos concerning Control Finance I already explained that Control Finance is an investment program and they offer different stages of daily interest. This is why I did an Excel spreadsheet. I already mentioned that you can download it below. Now it's working perfectly. I double checked everything. There are small how should I say, changes concerning the interest. Here you can see when you reach $4,500 the interest changes to 140%, and when you reach $10,000 invest the daily interest is 1.5%. and as I personally got confirmed by the customer service of Control Finance, the maximum deposit is 50k. So there were some rumor around that you can reinvest more than 50k, but you can only make an initial invest up to 50k. That's not correct. When you start compounding, when you reach 50,000 in your Control Finance account, the automatic reinvest will turn off and the payouts will start automatically. So there's no way with one account to invest more than 50k. So I added this in the sheet. So for example, when we say we start with 45,000, and as you can see from day 10 there is only 50,000 and no more compounding. So just switch that back to 1,000. Yeah, let's go a bit into the website of Control Finance. I already mentioned I manage two accounts, one of a good friend of mine and my personal one. So the account of my friend Ali, now 17 days in use. The active deposit now at $452, and yeah, it's over 1,000. So a daily interest of 1.25%. Today's profit was close to $18, and the total profit on this account was $276. So there comes my personal account is running for 1 day longer. We are now at $1,500. The automatic reinvestment is turned on because personally I think this service will last longer than the next 60 days. So we are still compounding, and yeah, it's exactly the same, 1.25% daily interest, but here the total profit is at $298. So yeah, back to the sheet. There is something more I want to share with you. As I mentioned in the videos before, I do some kind of tracking of the service. The Control Finance, they share on the website, they share our information. For sure nobody can guarantee or nobody knows if these data is correct or if this is the truth. So they said they claim to already have 23,680 clients, and they are entrusted with $37 million. So I watch these numbers closely. There are websites around where you can enter an URL and the websites are taking screenshots in a defined time frame. I do a screenshot every 12 and every 24 hours, so after that I put this data into Excel, and yeah, I want to share this data with you. It's in the sheet you can download in the description box. There are 3 charts. Here I track total customers over time. I joined on 21st of July, so I was around customer, no, it was a bit closer. I was customer 5,700 maybe. I started a bit later with watching this data. So when I joined Control Finance, they were entrusted with 10.8 million US dollars. So yes, as you can see here, we are now at, it was 37.4 million US dollars. I do here some calculation in this chart. It's the invest per customer over time. So this is no, how should I say, no signal that all people are stopping compounding, because the initial invest will stay in Control Finance. So what I want to track with this chart is, are a lot of small people joining the service, or are a bunch of bigger whales joining this service? So what I mentioned, or what I noticed, is the last 24 hours were really a run on that service, because look here, yesterday we were at 34 million US dollars. Now we are at 37.4. So this is 3 million in 24 hours. This is over 100k per hour going into that service. So if this is a scam, it's a really professional and good one, because, how should I say, yeah, they're earning a lot of money. But my personal feeling concerning Control Finance is, I don't know for sure if Control Finance is a scam, or if they will disappear from the market, if they do real trading or not. I don't know, but how should I say, my strategy to go into a service like this was, I think that even if Control Finance is kind of a scam, and if they will disappear, maybe they will run long enough to profit on that service. So I know that this is high risk, and personally I took the decision to put around 1.25 or 1.5% of my portfolio into Control Finance to make a journey, to give you reports and updates, and in the next episodes I will turn off the automatic reinvest to demonstrate a payout, how fast it works, and yeah, so let's jump over to my channel. The channel is growing really fast. We are now at 179 subscribers. My daily episodes get around 200 to 500 views. So really thank you for watching. It's a pleasure to see how the channel is growing. So if you like the content here, don't forget to subscribe, leave some comments down below, and the download link for the Excel spreadsheet is in the description box. And yeah, don't forget, in the cryptosphere there are a lot of topics that we need to talk.